This is Justin Gimino from DragonBlogger.com, and I'm here opening up the Bujian G20 notebook cooling fan. So what this typically is this is a cooling fan that you attach to the side of your notebook, and it's meant to draw the hot air out of the notebook so that way it cools it off faster. It works very differently than laptop cooling fans which go under the laptop. See, what you get here is, and it looks like an Autobot head, honestly, this to me reminds me of a Transformer head, is you get the fan which attaches to the PC, and it has an included attachment in the box here and various heads which have it stick to the side of the laptop, and it's supposed to draw in the heat. This primarily works with laptops that have side vents that draw the heat out the side of the laptop versus the back, because it's meant to hang off the side of a laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the ASUS ROG, which is where I want to try this, and I want to see if it's effective at cooling it down. I wanted to see if it made any difference whatsoever in the various temperature mark gauges to see how this works in comparison to a standard laptop cooling pad. Again, this is the Bujian G20 laptop cooling fan. I'm going to try it out next. I'll let you know how it works. Thank you for watching. You got to find the silicone rubber tip that fits your laptop vent the best. Once you apply it, you can then turn over, pull off the back, and you see that there's an adhesive pad here. You would attach it into the holes, you would peel off this, and then you stick it under the laptop and you attach it to your laptop. Now, I don't know how well this adhesive actually works yet, and that's the part that I'm going to test, as well as run it. But if you go by fan speed, which you can see here, there's a dial that goes off to on. It's off and on. You could hear and feel the wind being pulled from the front out the back. It's pretty severe, and you can kind of hear it. I'll hold it up to the microphone here so you can hear that. It does have a lot of airflow, about as much as a full laptop cooling pad that goes underneath the laptop. So it'll be curious to know if the sucking of the air in here is enough to pull the heat out and actually cool the laptop faster than a cooling pad. So we'll see how that works. Sorry folks, I have to say that I tried installing this on the laptop and it would not, the adhesive wouldn't hold very well. Part of the problem is if you see here, this attachment sticks on the back. It has these little tiny 4 holes. It slots into them, but it has no strength. They don't snap in place, they don't hold in place. So the problem is when you try to attach it to a laptop, when you try to hold it on, it simply falls right off and it falls right out. If they had a way to snap this on and not have it just come off and pop off so easily, it might hold in place. But because this is heavy, the moment I attach this to a laptop and it starts bending like this, it immediately pops right off and falls off. There's no way to get it to hold on to the side of the laptop. I'd have to say this product does not function properly, and I've yet to find a laptop cooling fan that goes off to the side vents that actually works effectively. Again, this one might work better if it snapped this component in, so that way it would actually hold to the laptop, but unfortunately it's too flimsy, it just pops right off, and it does not hold to the ASUS ROG. I can't recommend the Bujian G20. It does not stay put in the laptop. It doesn't even stay in place long enough. It's hard to attach, and it just simply falls right off. Thank you for watching.